What's going on, guys? So today I'm gonna go run to the Subaru dealership to see if they can solve my little issue I'm having with my popping noise, and also have to get my recall checked out. So what I got told to do for it was pretty much grease all the sandwich welds, and you gotta take a lot of your car apart to do that. So I did the easily accessible ones, but I didn't really feel like taking apart my entire trunk lid, like shelf area, to do it, so I didn't. I'm gonna take it to Subaru and see what they have to say. I really hope it's not my strut. I don't think it's my strut. If it is, I'm gonna go contact Teen and get a new one and put the new one in, and that just sounds like a hassle and a half. So as I said before, I'm gonna try to get more content out. I wanna try to upload more than once a week. So we're gonna have more videos like this of me just trying to run errands with my car. I'm gonna try to make, I guess, Saturdays like bigger videos maybe, but I'm gonna try to stick to a schedule now of Wednesday and Saturday uploads, just to get more content out there to keep you guys more planted with me, if that makes sense. All right, so I'm gonna run to the dealership and see if they have any problems, any answers for my problems. Oh, she looks nice, especially when it rains and doesn't snow anymore, so there's no more salt on the car. At the dealership now, I hope they can solve my problems. I'll keep you guys updated if they can or cannot. Let's hope they do. Just got done with the dealership. They said that they think that my strut has a loose shock, so I guess I need to re-tighten my top hat, but it's already as tight as I can get it, I think, but I'm gonna have to like take it out of the car to see if I can adjust it fully. If that doesn't fix it, then I don't really know what's wrong with my car. Radio's reflash, Android Auto still doesn't work, so I guess I'm gonna go home now and prop my car up. It's not supposed to rain. Get you guys there. Unpopular opinion, they should bring the Baja back. So they always say when you buy a new car, like you'll see that car everywhere, but I don't know if it's just me or not, but I've been seeing so many more like BRZs and 86s. Like I saw 2 today and I never see any, and that's like a weird thing for me. Like when I bought this car, I saw like 1 around and that was it. Today I saw a white one and a red one just chilling in parking lots, and like that never happens with this car. It's really weird. So going to the dealership, the guy said that it looks like my spring is loose from my strut. So I don't really know how I'm gonna fix this, because when looking at it, the only thing that tightens it down is that one top hat bolt that holds the top hat onto the spring. And the thing is, I think when it gets to a certain tightness, it just wants to spin. So I think I have to take off my entire coilover just to like tighten it, because I know the fronts you have to hold a wrench to it while tightening. That's the only way you can tighten it. So I gotta really look at it and see what I have to do to keep it tight. Because yeah, he said that looks like, because they said they jacked it up, they put it in the air, and it said that spring was the only loose spring that I have, and it said the sound's probably coming from that. I just hope I can like fix it myself, because if not, that's gonna really suck. So here's the plan. I'm gonna jack it up. I'm gonna try to see if I can actually wiggle the shock and everything, or the spring, and then I'm gonna try tightening the top hat when it's jacked up. Because that might do something. I don't know if it will or not. If I can't really tighten it, I'm gonna have to take off the entire shock and see if I can figure something out with it, but we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna go rip my tires off and jack it up. Looking at the spring, like, I mean, it doesn't really move too much. Like, it's pretty straight. Like, if you like really force it, it moves a little bit. But they said that that little bit of movement might actually be the problem for the sounds. I'm gonna try to retighten it a little bit, see if I can. If not, I'm gonna take this all apart and see if I can figure anything else out for it. So I tried reseating it completely with the top hat right there, because it was a little bit off right here that I noticed. So I took the top hat bolt completely off, retightened it all the way down. So when it gets to a certain tightness, you can't tighten it anymore. It just stays at a certain like point. I'll just keep rotating, I guess, when it gets there. I'm gonna go look at my end link right here, because a lot of people are saying the end link might have issues with it. So I'm gonna try to readjust my end link and then drive and see really what happens, because I just really hope this fixes it because I'm tired of this noise. Went in and I retorqued all of the bolts inside here on the control arm. I'm hoping, some of them actually did seem kind of on the looser side, so I'm kind of hoping that fixes my issue. If not, I really don't know what to do. I'm literally out of options. If I can't figure it out, I might actually contact Teen to see if they have any issues with their thing, with their coilovers cracking like that or popping or whatever the noise is. You want to consider it. So I'm going to try to throw my wheel back on and drive it and see if there's any difference. I'm really hoping the popping stops, but it might not. So here's the real moment of truth, if everything works or not. I'm kind of hopeful, but I'm also really nervous about it. It always makes a noise over this bump right here, so... Oh, I didn't hear anything. I didn't hear anything, boys. I think I might have solved it. I'm gonna go up here and turn around. Boys, I am super fucking happy right now. Yeah, I'm not hearing it anymore. For all you people online that said it was my end link and I said it's in the back, it's not my end link, that shit's definitely tight. It was definitely my end link. I am like ecstatically happy right now. BRZ is alive, making no more weird noises. I'm so happy. Thank you everyone online that told me just to go down and retorque everything. I appreciate all of you. I didn't believe any of you. I am super stoked right now. Thanks to all of you guys. I appreciate all of you guys. Thank you so much. You know, this is a life lesson for all of you guys right now that are having problems with your cars. You ask online and they give you answers. You're like, no, that's not it. Listen, that's the answer. My end link was, see, the thing is the end link was tight, but not tight enough, I guess. I torqued out my socket wrench, and I guess that's how tight it needs to be. It's all in working order now. No pops. Super hyped right now. I'm in a great mood now. Later on, I'm heading to the Philly Auto Show. I might bring my camera just to film a few cars, but maybe not because my friend's coming with me. My friends don't know my vlog. So I might bring my camera with me. I'm not really sure yet. We'll see. But I'm super hyped that my problem is fixed. I'm still gonna give a shout out to the guy who told me the original issues that I thought I was having. And then I gotta give out a shout out to my boys at Subaru, because my boys at Subaru are the ones that giving me answers. I took it, they said it looks like your spring. I was like, it's not my fucking spring. Actually, I guess they didn't really give me answers, but they said it was definitely coming from my shock. And that was, I guess, like pretty good answers, because then I knew to check everything on my coilover again. So no pops now, no noises, super hype. I'm hyped. And hopefully I don't have to rip apart my trunk anymore, because of this damn button is the hardest thing to snap back into the liner. And I don't know if there's an easy way to do it or not. If there's an easier way, you guys should tell me. I'm not planning to rip this thing apart anymore, but just because I have to, I want to find an easier way to do it. And I want to thank all you guys that are supporting my channel. A couple of you guys actually reach out to my Instagram sometimes and just say like, keep it up, good job, blah blah blah. And it's stupid shit like that that like gives me more motivation to actually make these videos. I don't consider myself a YouTuber by any means at all. I don't have many subscribers. I barely get any views, but I'm now getting to a point that I'm actually really enjoying making these videos. That's why I want to put more videos out a week. I just want to say thanks for the support. It actually means a lot to the people who actually watch these and watch to the end. It means a lot to me. I'm not gonna consider myself a YouTuber until I get my first YouTube paycheck. And there's a lot of stuff I do to get to that point. But yeah, right now I'm just enjoying making these videos. It's a lot of fun. I mean, I work a full-time job. I usually work over 40 hours a week, which is like, you know, a normal thing, I guess. But trying to make content and then work, it's tough, especially in the winter. On my days off, I'm doing nothing but in my car, working on my car, doing something with my car. And I really have no like relaxation time anymore. That's why the other day I was like, I was gonna take pictures, but I was beat. So I just went inside and just hung out. But yes, thank you to all you guys that are actually supporting me and watching my videos. If you guys could actually do me a huge favor and try to promote my videos a little bit more, maybe. I mean, it's asking too much, I understand. You don't have to. If I was just saying, I would appreciate that a lot. You guys could share them, put them on your Facebook or something. I mean, just to help me out a little bit. It's up to you guys. You guys really are the determination if I get views or not. I mean, no one else is watching but you guys. I try to promote myself as much as I can. A lot of you guys don't like how I do it, how I go about it. But it's the only way I really know how to get my name out there is by using Instagram. I wish all you Instagram followers were following me, which isn't really true, but it's whatever, I guess. All right, guys, I'm really hyped. I got my problem fixed. Thank you, all of you, for the people that actually answered my comment card on Instagram. The PNW Subi group on Facebook actually helped me out a lot with this. I got a lot of answers on it. I appreciate all of you. Thank you. Now, here's my end thing. So comment, like, subscribe, do all that fun shit. Make sure you share, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.